on topic called circadian rhythm, the new way of living, that is circadian rhythm. See, if we challenge the law of nature, if we go against the circadian rhythm that governs thousands of functions in the human body, at a cellular level, then what happens? Even the best treatment, medicines, doctors, wellness expert, they will not able to work. See, what if we align ourselves with the laws of nature and then we add the right medicine, lifestyle, food, and so on? That is when we begin to see prevention, healing, and recovery in our body, in our life. Hello everyone, myself Dushyant Singh Rathod and I am a occult expert. Today we will discuss on circadian rhythm. So coming back to circadian rhythm, what is this circadian rhythm? See, in the hypothalamus of your brain, there is a master clock called suprachiasmatic nucleus. In short, SCN. There are clocks in every cell of our body, including our heart, liver, kidney, and so on. The SCN controls simple to complex things in our body like energy level throughout the day, quality of sleep, hormone secretion like insulin, cortisol, melatonin, estrogen, progesterone, neurotransmitter production, regulation of heartbeat, blood pressure, sugar level, digestive system activity, reproductive system activity, immune system functions, hunger and cravings, body temperature, weight, emotions, etc. In short, this SCN controls everything, hence, it is a master clock. Now imagine if our clock, watches, phones are taken away from us for a day. Nothing would work. There there would be chaos, anger, frustration because we run our day accordingly on time. And time is everything. Now imagine the SCN that controls the circadian rhythm stops working the right way. The body will be in chaos, right from hormone to emotions to digestion. This is why no matter how much we have in terms of technology, medicine, chemotherapy, drugs, entertainment, we still have lot of disease and unhappiness because the basics of our human body and how it works are not addressed. See, we will continue to get new drugs or treatment in the market, but until we change the way we live, nothing will be effective. In simple words, I should say it is about how different processes in our body are designed to be carried out during different times. The human body is intelligent and work on the concept of rhythm, which is driven by nature. Every cell in our body vibrates at a frequency and is controlled by rhythm. Our heart pulse, blood pressure, digestion, menstrual cycle, everything works accordingly to a rhythm and they keep changing throughout the day. See, the rhythm at which our digestive system functions when we wake up is different from what it is in the evening or night. Now, now be synced in with the right rhythm. Our body needs to be evolved and thrive, feel balanced and energetic. On the other hand, if we are out of sync, We can have anything from cancer, heart disease, to hormonal imbalance and depression and so on. It is simple. We have a disease when our body is not at ease. So that means when the cells are not working in harmony with each other, when we start operating beyond the law of nature and challenge our circadian rhythm, we become out of sync and rhythm. This is this is we will not only have a disease but also feel bad, sad, lonely. Start looking outside for stimulation and compare our health weight with other people. Now, how does this SCN function and control cardio? This as control this circadian rhythm. See, the SCN or biological clocks are groups or complicated molecules. Just like a clock work on a battery, the SCN functions by taking cues from the amount of light in the nature. It responds based on the light and dark, or should say day and light. Now, this clock main role is to send signals to regulate the function in our body. So the moment light hits the SCN, there are signals sent to other parts of body and different functions will be activated or deactivated. When the scene experience the on absence of light, hundreds or more functions will be activated or deactivated again. So this is how our body gets synced with the nature. However, when there is fluctuations in light and dark due to sleeping at a wrong time or exposure to bright light like mobile light, etc., there is going to be chaos or confusion in the body. The basic biology, chemistry, physiology of our body going to be out of sync, and no amount of exercise, meditation, or medicine can change that. The only solution is to realign our body back to rhythm of nature. What upset our circadian rhythm? Let's see. Let's look at certain factors that can upset your biological clock. Frequent changes in the routine like bedtime, meal time, workout time, overexposure to artificial lights, gadgets, mobile screen, and stimulants like caffeine, tobacco, alcohol, drugs, hormonal changes during menopause and pregnancy, night shift, long and frequent traveling. Let's see what can be short-term circadian rhythm disruption problem. If your circadian rhythm is not in sync with the nature, so in short term you can get mood swing, lack of focus, disrupted sleep, headache, constipation, weakness, low immunity, increase in blood sugar and bloating. At the same time, let's see what are the long term effect when our circadian rhythm disrupt, like for many months or years. Then weight gain, obesity, infertility, mental disorder, insomnia, cardiovascular condition, risk of cancer. So finally, let's see how to reset this circadian rhythm. Please note, eat your last meal of the day to sunset, means 7 p.m. around, and fast till sunrise of next morning. So giving a full 12-hour break. Keep a 2 to 3 hour gap between dinner and bedtime. Have a smart lunch compared to dinner edge. Metabolic action at night is at slower than daytime. Keep your maximum calorie intake between breakfast and lunch. Dinner should be the lightest meal. You should eat at same time every day. Remember, timing is everything. It is important and key factor for circadian rhythm syncing. Have a regular regime and work out at the same time every day. Your muscle and body also have a memory. Next, go to bed around the same time every night and try to wake up also at sunrise. Maintain the same time 5-day clock at least, especially if you want to heal your disease. Avoid eating before sunrise. Metabolic fire wake up when sunrise and it is highest by 12 p.m. Try to clean your bowel first thing after wake up. This is how the rhythm of nature is designed. Clean yourself inside out first before you begin your day. The entire framework of the new day of living is not built on my or your preferences or likes or dislikes. This is according to nature, and that is above all of us. So take away what you can and build your lifestyle out of it. Try to practice this 5 out of 7 days at least. Keep weekend for late night if you want and notice how you feel. So, friend, this was how our circadian rhythm works. I hope you will get some important takeaway from this and manage your day and night timing and sync with nature again, and so this way you can get away or you can keep yourself away from so many diseases disorder. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please share your comments as well and like this. Thank you very much. We meet you in the next podcast very soon. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.